The southern part of West Bengal turns into a birdwatching paradise in winter. Many rare winter migrants can be seen in the agricultural lands, grasslands, and also in the wetland habitats. In this video, we went to explore one of the prime birding hotspots around the city of Joy, the Diara wetlands.
Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the channel. This is me Ori and you are watching Ori and Wild, and we are in this beautiful agricultural habitat and wetland habitat today for our weekend birding session. So this place is called the Diara wetlands. It is very close to the main city of Kolkata, so one can come here from Kolkata very easily for their weekend birding sessions, and it's one of the primary wintering ground for the migrants. So yeah, we are also here today looking for some birds and maybe a lifer as well. So let's see what all birds we can spot here today. So we are walking towards the grassland area. There are some birders there, I can already see. They went pretty deep. So this particular spot is actually good for buntings. Last year buntings were spotted here exactly at this place, but this year we are not sure what we will see because the water is still there. It's not completely dry, and these type of fields are actually very good for pipits, but currently there are only wagtails. I cannot see any pipit as of now. Probably after a week or so they will arrive.
While walking on the trail, we came across a couple of sandpipers, and they were pretty bold and allowed us to film them properly.
This is the trail. A lot of zitting cisticolas are also here. Beautiful habitat. A very good habitat for the warblers as well. So yeah, let's move ahead and let me show you the entire place. See, there are two birders over there. This is the view of the grassland in front of me.
We noticed another very common yet a very good looking bird, a long-tailed shrike, in this area. We also found a Eurasian wryneck, a winter migrant woodpecker species, in that same area.
So it is going to be a patience game if you want to spot any good warblers, especially because you know they are, all of them are skulkers. There is not a single warbler that will pose for you to take photos or videos. So this is the primary habitat of Diara. I mean the primary trail of Diara through which you can explore pretty deep. Apart from that, there are two more which I'll go into, two more tracks, but they will not take you as deep.
After reaching the end point of the trail, we came across an uncommon pipit known as the rosy pipit. Though rosy pipit was not a lifer for me, but most certainly it was a very good find. And just when I thought that the rosy pipit was a good catch, I was actually stunned to see a very rare bird in that area, and most certainly it was a lifer for me as well. It was the long-toed stint, a very rare winter migrant to India. This particular individual of long-toed stint was actually foraging with couple of taming stints in that area, but you can easily distinguish them from the taming stints. After clicking the stint, I was extremely happy and I was motivated as well to explore the entire region. So I took another trail which was leading to a wetland area.
Oh my goodness, there is a pied harrier over there. Holy cow. But it's very far. I don't think I'll be able to take a shot. So all the waders are flying away. I saw some golden plovers, but they also flew away. Let's see. A lot of swallows are also here. It would be great if I can take some good shots of the swallows. A lot of wagtails. Yeah, so this is where I'll settle down and click. Such a pretty place.
I noticed a lot of barn swallows in this area. At least 200 of them were there in that spot. And they for sure gave me great photographic and filming opportunity. It was really a treat to watch them. Though I missed the golden plovers as they flew away, I noticed a lot of sandpipers in this area as well. At a distance, I noticed a lot of glossy ibises foraging. Though they were little far, but I could film them at their eye level almost. After filming the big flock of glossy ibis, I decided to go towards the main road and see what else I can find.
So in this particular fruiting tree, I can see a lot of yellow-footed green pigeons.
Though the green pigeons are a very common and resident species, but they are most certainly very good looking bird. After filming the green pigeons, I decided to try for the warblers in a nearby hyacinth bed.
This particular hyacinth patch has a lot of warbler activities. Let's see what all we can spot here. Multiple Polysis grasshopper warblers are calling from this place.
The first warbler that we noticed in this area was a dusky warbler. And with the sighting of a rare warbler known as the Polysis grasshopper warbler, which is also known as the rusty rumped warbler, we concluded our birding session. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel, and I'll come back with more videos like this. Until then, bye.